الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وإذا جاءتهم آية قالوا لن نؤمن حتى نؤتى مثل ما أوتي رسل الله أعلم حيث يجعل رسالته سيصيب الذين أجرموا صغار عند الله وعذاب شديد بما كانوا يمكرون. Translation. And when the revealed verses come to them, they say, we will not believe till we are given that what messengers of Allah had been giving. Allah knows best on whom to place the trust of His message. Soon these sinful and wicked leaders will be inflicted with humiliation and terrible punishment from Allah for conspiring the evil plots. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed the biggest criminals in every town, and these criminals try to plot and conspire, but they do this only against themselves, as they will be the responsible party for the punishment for these plots and these conspiracies. In today's ayah, we are studying one of the example of these plots and conspiracies that these criminals made, and they used to say that these ayahs and these signs that are given to the prophets, they should be given to us. If we are given the prophethood and if we are given the ayahs, we will believe on these. This is because of their own arrogance and miscalculating their status in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These criminal-minded and hard-hearted people think that they can be trusted for the highest responsibility which a human can be given, which is to get the message of Allah directly from Allah and giving it to the people. But since they think that they are very great, and since they think that they deserve what prophets deserve, they are asking these things. And only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that who is capable of getting this high responsibility of getting the message of Allah and providing it to the other people. This is nothing which can be bought with money or status. The prophethood is nothing that can be attained by studying or getting any ilm or knowledge, and it is not a thing that can be achieved with any other source. This is only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's selection, that He selects from His people and chooses among the people that who is capable of getting this responsibility and fulfilling this responsibility. However, those arrogant people who are asking for this status of prophethood will be given the most severe and humiliating punishment for these plots and these conspiracies that they are making to misguide other people, and their plots will only act against them in the hereafter. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us a sincere, truthful heart that listens and accepts the truth and follows the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.